Guys, it's Lana. I know I did a fake 3 a.m. video a while ago, but I actually want to do this. I'm going to be playing with slime at 3 a.m. I'm not going to make it because it's already 3:50 currently, and it's going to be 4 soon, and the challenge doesn't work at 4. So here we go. I set an alarm. Let me get some lights on. Hey guys, so I have this slime. It's like white whipped cream slime. I know my voice is really weird. I'm super tired, but here's the slime. It's super duper fluffy and soft, and I'm trying not to make a bunch of noise right now because, it's 3 a.m. so I can't really talk that loud because I don't want to wake the rest of my family up because that just wouldn't be good. Oh shoot, I just made a bubble popping noise. But here's some ASMR for y'all. So yeah guys, it's a really cool slime. Guys, what's happening? Guys! Guys, I just saw a really weird figure. I'm sure it was nothing. Let's get back to playing with the slime. Guys, what's happening? Guys? What happened? Why is my slime green? Guys, oh my god. Look at it, it's green, guys. Oh. Guys, I can't believe the slime turned green. What? This is not green. I'm so confused, you guys, right now. Maybe it's just because I'm tired. My eyes are all bonkers. Guys, I'm sure that's nothing. Unless it's something. Guys! Oh guys, I'm really scared. So I'm gonna stop that video here. This was marshmallow fluff slime. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Just kidding! I hope we fooled you, and we'll see y'all later. Love you. Bye.